Yo YouTube, we back with another video, and I gotta order some errands today, but you know we're doing some errands in my new car. Did y'all know I had some things working in the background now, so but y'all let me know what it is based on the way it cold start, you know. Listen to it now. Listen to it now. So y'all got me a 2022 Dodge Durango. All nice, black, red guts, 3 rows. You feel me? You feel me? Yeah. Got big plans and aspirations for this car, so hopefully we just keep making it work. But yeah, we're gonna get some rolls. I gotta get some errands out of the way. So let's push that. You feel me? Yeah. Don't want to shift. I gotta sit in that high RPMs. Ooh. Dang, son. No gas. We gonna get gas, but y'all, 17 miles to the gallon. Like, yeah, that's smooth. Out here, no music does kind of, you know, kind of suck. But you know, who wants to copyright, right? It's a part of the program. Backup camera clean though. It needs to be cleaned, but we're finna go out to eat. We're finna go grab some food. My aunt, she's got her another job. Congrats to her. So we're gonna get y'all some robots, you know, on the highway and stuff. So I just put a dub in it. It gave me basically 100 miles for a dub, so it's good in my book. Got a heating steering wheel, got a sports mode, got traction control and stuff right here. Heat on both sides, you know. So down there for everybody, you know. I hear another truck's there. Well, I hope I'm going the right way. That'd be the thing. I think I'm going the right way. I'm straight. Oh yeah. Got that cruise control too. Overly this one follows people and like brakes if you get too close to them and stuff like that. Like, bro, it's so pretty and it look good on my phone, bro. I'm thinking about upgrading phones though, so hopefully it look good on that too. I gotta get everybody's, you know, reactions and stuff too. So yeah, but hopefully this one gets built. Then after that, y'all know I want Cinco. Or the people that like my livelihood, like they know I want Cinco. That'd be the Charger. Give me an RT build that one too. Another RT Charger. I do want a C8. I love cars, y'all. I want an R8. I want a C8. I want a Charger. I'll even go Camaro too. Like they got BZL1 though. I want a truck. I want a Raptor. I want it all. Is that materialism? Yes. But like, the vision wouldn't be in me if I didn't think I could achieve it. You know, your brain won't think what you can't achieve. Hope it rose. Yeah. You feel me? The music's gone. Get on and go. Oh yeah, I really need to have it in 0.5. Like, that's so much better. Is having my tripod hands-free? Cause like, technically I wouldn't be maneuvering it, and like, it's no different than having the camera. So like, is it hands-free? Like, I can use with one hand, but like, you get what I'm saying, right? Like, your whole thing about your phone is being hands-free. But if you like constantly doing it, might need to email JJ Peanut Butter, you know. I already need them to make a better tune. They gonna give the like, the only thing they got for the Durangos is, what is it, 60 feet of torque and 50 horsepower. Come on, JJ. I need y'all to do great things with the Durango. But yeah, I ain't gonna name it. I'm between Wyvern and Dragon. Like, the Black Dragon, Black Wyvern, you feel me? Like, I could change up the sticker on the side, go put a Black Dragon on the side, give me a Black Dragon right here, give me a dragon in the up there, you know, and it was like, look at that. Who cat that is? Shoot. Try to get out of you. Maybe swap out the motor. SRT lens style, you know, swap out the motor. I don't want to crash it though. I really like my car being in good condition. But the motor. Real talk, if I could find like a partnership company, I would love for them to, you know, come on, put your hands on it. See what y'all can do. See if we can perform. You feel me? Bro. This is so luxury and comfortable at the same time. Like, Dodge did their number with this one. And I know the other Durangos, like, they got a middle seat right in the third row. I don't get why I don't have it, and I don't get why I don't have launch. But they say I got a tow hitch package, but like, also like, I do, but I don't. So, Dodge fixed that. But I don't need launch, or not launch, track. I don't need track mode if I know how to maneuver this, you feel me? So, yeah. Hopefully mine's coming. Got a list of them. Hopefully interior redone. Got a list of them. Those are mods too, you know. But I don't know. I'm kind of between having the cosmetic stuff first, because you know, at least the cosmetic stuff get the eyes and the attentions, and then we go performance. You know, is that odd? Like, I feel like you make it look good, because no matter what, you're gonna be driving it, and you don't when you don't mess with performance, like, you don't have like run the chance of being without it yet either. So I feel like maybe that might be the call. But I do currently still have 2 cars, so hopefully that'll be good enough to, like, if I ever need to leave this one. But y'all know I want at the side of it, it look like it got a BBL, like like Jamaican mommy, like. That's what I thought. But if it get rich black man, then hey, let my side show out and make two of us. Now we're gonna get that. No more car content. Gotta come. It's gotta come. Like I want to keep it, and like I gotta figure out a way to keep it, and this telling me how I keep it. But I'm gonna wait. The reason I waited so long for car content is because I still wanted to get in streaming university. All I can do is try. But I mean, like, it's the kind of content I like to make. Like, I love cars, and like I can put the real estate classes aside. I can put my job aside. Not yet. Not until like stuff work out. But like, if I was given an option between the two and two, I'm gonna choose car content because like I love cars. You know, like people have their interest in heart and they know what they want to do. Like even if you don't have a dream job, you still have stuff you like to do. Like you might want to travel professionally. You know, you might need to find the right company to do it, but those you can travel and like do reviews and stuff like that at places. Or what is it? Get like guides, like tour guides. Yeah, but like mountain climbing and stuff like that, you know. Or like instructors for rock climbing or whatever you did like to do. If you want to be, my thing is, if you want to be a janitor and you love it and you can give it 110%, you're successful in my book. You're rich in life. So like to me, that's all I can ever ask for. Like find something I love to do and just do that. This YouTube is one of them. This is one of them. About is like I'm not speeding, right? I am doing the speed of traffic, right? And they are beyond me. Like y'all can't even see them, not just because one, because it's so dark, but like two, like they're like they moving. Like what happened to the whole keeping up with traffic? Like I ain't finna do what they doing, but they pushing it. That's so dark. It don't help. It don't help. I see why they don't do nighttime POVs. Like, you can see me, but like, it don't help because they're trying to see the road, you know. But I see why they don't do nighttime POVs.
I'm like, ooh, okay, better hope I'm next up on the base. Yeah, I know that this shit not a race, but I'm going on a run for the rest of the day. No, I can't lose, no way. Get behind me and keep up the pace. On my sleeve with some chicks in the ace, better get up you later if we sleeping on